All right, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Miles.
And it's time for another episode of the Spicy Mukbang show where we act like professionals, try new things, and we don't jump around like crazy idiots. We don't do that.
If it's spicy.
Well, if it's spicy, we might. But thus far, we haven't hit anything that's so spicy that we got to jump around like crazy idiots, right? So that's pretty good. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we have banana flavored Buldak. This comes by way of the Fat Hipster. You should check out his YouTube channel. Yeah, this is a Chinese exclusive. You will not find it at your H Mart. You will not find it at 99 Ranch or Great Wall or anywhere here for sale in the US. That I can pretty much guarantee you. You will be able to find it on eBay if you look around, but you're going to pay a ton of money for it, probably. So, if you really want to try it, look to eBay. And here's what we've got. You cook it, you drain it, you add the powder, which is banana flavored. You add the sauce, which is, I'm guessing, regular Buldak sauce. And then it's got a sprinkle on top, and that's like fried banana. So, pretty tame there. I haven't tried it yet. I'm looking forward to this. What do you think?
I'm really looking forward to trying that.
Cool. Well, it's time for our obligatory beverage hit. All right, grab your weapon. All right, so here we are. This is really sticky stuff. Maybe we can get Mimi to give us a ready, set, go. Give it a pull. There you go. All right, Mimi, got a ready, set?
Ready, set, go!
Yeah. It tastes like kind of what I expected.
Banana.
It does taste like the banana flavoring you would find in something like a bubble tea. It also definitely has the heat of Buldak. What do you think? Do you like it? He likes it. Well, this is the only banana Buldak you're gonna get to try. No, this
7 stars.
Whoa. So the noodle seems extra thick. I like that. While it's pretty good, it is pretty weird. Banana isn't generally a flavor that I would expect in this kind of setup. Getting down there.
Got a little on me.
No, it's okay.
That is okay, too.
The way we've got it set up here is it's very hard to get close to the camera with where the plate's at, so it's like it's easy to make a mess while we're doing these mukbang, but good stuff. It's fun. Quick, get some before it's gone.
Okay.
Done. Well, what did you think of that one?
It was delicious.
Okay. How about the heat level?
The heat level, it was a little spicy at first, and then after that, it tasted like bananas.
Yeah, it's like I got a front of mouth burn, but it's not killing me. Is your mouth on fire?
I'm putting it out.
Actually, what water does is it spreads it and it makes it go deeper into your mouth.
Oh.
But usually what's good is milk. Tortilla chips actually will scrape it off your mouth.
Oh.
And sugar. Those are all three things that help really. But I don't think you seem to be doing okay for the spice level of this, so right on. Anyways, so yeah, we have visited and conquered the Banana Buldak. Let us know what you think. There is a crab one we'll be doing soon. And, yeah. All right, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye-bye.